Surah An-Nas Tafsir explanation. Verse 1. Say, I seek refuge with Allah, the Lord of mankind. Ibn Kathir explains that this verse commands the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the believers to seek refuge in Allah, the Lord of all people. Allah is the creator and sustainer of mankind, meaning that He is the one to whom we turn for protection and help. This verse emphasizes that Allah is the Lord of all creation, including every human being, and His ability to provide safety and security is absolute. Seeking refuge in Allah means turning to Him for protection from all forms of harm, particularly from the evils that are difficult to defend against on our own. Verse 2. The King of Mankind. In this verse, Ibn Kathir highlights that Allah is not only the Lord, but also the King of mankind. This title refers to His absolute sovereignty, dominion, and control over all human affairs. Just as a king governs his subjects, Allah governs every aspect of life. He has full authority to command, protect, and care for His creation. This verse further affirms that Allah alone is the true ruler of humanity, and only He can provide true protection from harm and evil. Verse 3. The God of mankind. Here, Ibn Kathir explains that Allah is the only true God, Ilah, of mankind. This verse emphasizes monotheism, affirming that Allah is the only deity worthy of worship, devotion, and supplication. He alone deserves all acts of worship because He is the creator and sustainer of mankind. By declaring Allah as the God of mankind, this verse reminds believers to turn exclusively to Allah in times of need, seeking His protection from both spiritual and physical dangers.